The number of coronavirus cases across the world has crossed 16.4 million, while the pandemic has claimed more than 652,000 lives so far. First pilgrim arrives in Makkah for Hajj 2020. The United States and Russia will hold talks on nuclear arms control and space security in Vienna on Monday. In Sudan, at least 60 people have been killed and 60 others injured during an armed attack in a village in the Darfur region. Iran vows to support peace and stability in Afghanistan, stressing the need to establish peace based on the outcome of intra-Afghan talks on and led by Afghans. China seized the US consulate in the Chengdu in retaliation for its ouster from the consulate in Houston, Texas. At least 5 Turkish soldiers died and 10 were seriously injured when a bus carrying them toppled in the country's southern Mersin province on Monday.